Greetings from Prestige Electronics. This is a short demonstration video of Prestige Electronics manufactured 25 ampere test current single channel digital transformer winding resistance meter suitable for power and distribution transformers, inverter duty solar transformers and power reactors. The equipment comes with a touch-based graphic display. All the controls can be done through the touchpad and also the keypad given below. For example, the test current selection 25 ampere, 10 ampere, 5 ampere, etc. Total 6 test currents are there. Same can be also selected using this menu. The equipment comes with auto hold and continuous mode feature which can be selected from here, and also comes with auto ranging resistance measurement facility wherein no range selection is required from the user end. The equipment comes with a panel mount printer which comes with the on off key and also an emergency stop switch. Right now we have connected a small transformer just for the demonstration purpose. So here we have just selected a test current and no range is selected. We have kept the instrument in auto ranging mode. We are just going to press the measure key. It can be done through this touchpad also and through this key also. Here you can see we are getting the readings as 17.228229 milliohms, and the instrument now went into auto discharge mode, auto hold, in the hold mode. So once the readings are stable, it will auto discharge as well. Similarly, you can just change the test current and repeat the readings. The equipment is a very simple to use and highly effective, accurate, repeatable and stable equipment for site and field use. Should you require any other details, please feel free to contact the manufacturer.